How to link your bank account to PayPal. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to link your bank account to PayPal step by step. Whether you want to send or receive money, linking your bank is essential. So let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, simply type in paypal.com. This will take you to your PayPal login page, or you can simply open the PayPal app on your phone. Enter your email and password to log in. Once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal bars at the top and simply go to Wallet. Here you'll find an option that says Link a card. Simply tap on it to start the process. What you need to do is simply select your card type, which is debit or credit card, and after that you'll be prompted to enter your bank account number and routing number. If you're in another country, PayPal will ask for the relevant banking details. Double check everything before clicking agree and link. To confirm your bank account, PayPal will either instantly verify if you log into your online banking, or it will send you two small deposits to your account within 1 to 2 business days. If PayPal sends deposits, check your bank statement, then go to PayPal and enter the exact amounts to verify your account. And that's it, you've successfully linked your bank account to PayPal.